Whoa, what's up, Guppy Suppers? It's Guppy Sup Vlogs. My studio is not flooded anymore. They fixed everything. And yeah, I still have some consideration of suing Leahy. As you can see, we got new carpet, and it looked like the same carpet. Smells bad. All my stuff is reorganized because I touched it. So yeah, if I ever become a terrorist, Leahy's my first target. It has been like 6 months ever since the famous unboxing iPhone series came out. So yeah, we're gonna be unboxing something different. We're boxing a camera. A big camera. So now you might be saying, oh, Guppy Sup Vlogs, you're actually gonna be taking this vlogs more seriously. I would take it seriously, but this is more serious than seriously. So today we got a Canon EOS Rebels T7 and an SD card because it doesn't come with it. But what's really special? It's premium kit. That's special. Just like me. Mommy says I'm a special grade. Oh, without no time wasted, let's get unboxing. Here's some ASMR. Got a knife. Some box. I think I have. Oh wow! All right, let's see what I got. I am not that lengthy, but let's go. Alright, we have extra lens. By the way, why I got this, just to tell you, I am making I already made another channel. Go subscribe to it, Guppy Sup Studios, where I actually do make projects, short films, and other stuff. And already a big one's gonna be coming soon, and I will tell more information about it. So here's my camera. I'm happy. Let's unbox the bag first though, because this is the most easiest one. So now I have 2 bags, my GoPro and this is mainly for when I go to places. I don't need a knife. I can rip it off. So I just buckle this. Neat. So the biggest one coming soon that I'm gonna start filming after I get I need a lot of actors, so if you're in the area, Connecticut area, mainly Fairfield County area, and want to do my show, hit me up in my DMs. Just search up Guppy Sup Studios and just hit me up. Then I will consider. And here's my bag. It looks pretty cool actually. I like the Canon. If I had another bag like this would definitely be my souvenir. But yeah, this is definitely useful for both my lens and my thing. Alright, let's unbox the actual camera. Actually, I'll do that later. Alright, now let's unbox the extra lens. We have to do the best for last. So yeah, right now I'm making like short films that I could easily do. Like, soon enough, this like short film, Butler, not telling the plot because then what's the point of making it? But yeah, need some I might actually find some actors for that. I don't think I need to tell that in the story. But yeah, you know, that's coming out very soon. Yeah, let's see. What the oh, I got a passport. Let's see. Whoa. Wait, hold up. I knew something was wrong. There you go. This is the camera cover for this. I can just do this. Yeah, there you go. In case I actually can. Alright, now we have the moment of truth. Yeah. Alright. Moment of truth. Alright. Step 1. We have this. Strap. I actually do need this. Step 2. Fuck the instructions. I do need this. And I do need this. And oh okay, I actually need all of them. Step 3. Open. Okay, that's later. Alright. Let's see. What did I get? Oh, I just have another camera. Okay, so I have 2 cameras now. Okay, 2 lenses. I have another lens. This is the main lens, I think. This is where you connect it. No, I have 2. One for long shots, one for just normal. Alright, and of course the main thing, battery. That is very important. And this. I think I have this. I just want to see. This is the same. Is this? They are not the same. Okay, so this one's much bigger. Okay. All right. Moment of truth. Hold on a second, it's this way. Wow. Ignore everything that's happening upstairs. And, yeah, now we attach whatever we want in here. I think right now I'm gonna attach this because this is most important right now. How do I attach this? Okay, that's pretty easy. Now we just take this off. And yeah, here's the camera. Oh, I love the smell of new cameras. This is not my fetish, by the way. But this is pretty cool. I like this. Alright, we just need to add the battery. Or I can actually just add the battery. I mean, I have to charge the battery. You know what? Let me charge the battery, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, ignore that. You'll probably hear me from here, but yeah. It's charged and ready to go. Just for the reference, I have my camera that I used a long time ago. So let's see if I can get some of the clips from here and just to see what happens. But first, I got my own 128 gigabytes. Don't know if that's gonna be enough for anything, but it's worth the try. Alright. I definitely did something to this, but here you go. Oh wait, hold on, it's wrong way. There you go. Alright. Let's do tech with Guppy Sub Vlogs. Alright. Let's set it up. Cannot see what's going on, so yeah. Let's put the battery in. The SD card in. If I can even fit this in. Hit that click. Let's boot it up. Alright, perfect. 24.
There's the legend. Time is probably. Oh, this is old time. Hold up. 12. It's not 12. Time zone. Azure. LE. It's like New York. Can't just move, eh? It's like. I know what time it is.
Alright, got the time. It's 10. $10:23. Or how about this? 24. Okay. Sky. Yep, C. So. Manual exposure. I think you're supposed to look in here. So I can see. That's pretty cool. First picture. God damn, that's okay. That's so much better than this. I'm gonna delete this. How do I delete? Jesus Christ, is there no delete button? Erase. I'll just send it in as possible. Alright. So what's this? Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. I'll delete that later. Let's see. Flash off. Audio. Landscape. Portrait. Landscape. Close up. This is what I need more. This is more of like when I take sports highlight stuff, because I am doing that. So yeah, that would be cool. Let's see what else. What the fuck? Night portrait. Oh, you definitely use that somewhere. And the one I need the most. Recording. Alright, I don't know what. Yeah, so the one thing I hate about some of these stuff is that if you can just see, like, some of these stuff are so like hard to maintain. Like the focus is so bad that I don't even know how to fix it. Because like the close-up stuff will work out. Let's see if maybe they change it. Probably. Let me see. All right, let's see. Got the new one. So if I just do this right, do I just push this? How do I take it out? There you go. Does it say anything? Oh, okay. For a second. Nope. You heard it click. There you go. Alright. That was such a bad shot. Yeah, see, this is more of like... Here, I just move it more up. This is more for like really close-up shooting. So if you want to like take some pictures like this, that is definitely a good place to do it. But right now, I don't need that. Get back to our original. Yep. Okay, I think I got the focus better. Let's see. Yeah, definitely better. Alright. Yeah. So now, I want to do something. You see, this is my old camera. And there is some stuff that I do want to review that I never got in this. So let's see if, number one, this disc will work. I probably do have to restart everything, but it is worth a good try. Oh. Okay, that is not the picture I want. 1 out of 200, 1 out of 60. Okay. Just like more of these pictures I took. I'm not gonna delete everything, cause I'm not bored. Oh, it's a Dubai vlog. Oh, was that it? Was that all the pictures? Damn. That is pretty bad. Alright. We're just gonna start a new beginning. We ain't gonna use this for long. Hold up. Yep. This is my camera roll right now. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Go follow Guppy Sub Studios, because that will be a fire channel, and probably will grow more than this vlog. But also, I am not quitting this channel, because I have been wasting a lot of not wasting. I've been giving a lot of time on this channel since 2020, and I am not giving up on this dream yet. So I would love, thank you guys who are subscribed. Not even subscribe, if you guys just watch my videos, that would just be more of a support too. Yeah, thank you guys for basically my family, friends, and Newtown for supporting me on this thing. But yeah, I will be making more videos, and with this camera I'll be making a lot of vlogs plus cameras. So yeah, want to be an actor, actress, DM me. If you're an athlete, you want to get some photo shoot, I am here. And yeah, professional career on its way, if basketball ever work out for me. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.